Run away! Run away! When facing their fears, the knights of the Roundtable in Monty Python and the Holy Grail would shout it and then do it. The fight or flight response, also known as the acute stress response, refers to a physiological reaction that occurs when we are in the presence of something that is mentally or physically terrifying. Our nervous system releases a torrent of chemicals preparing us for fight or flight. It has been with us since Adam and Eve sinned in the garden and plays an important role in keeping us alive. Today's Saturdays in the Psalms on Morning Minutes in the Bible finds us looking at a fight or flight situation for King David. Reading Psalm 11 verses 1 through 3 from the New American Standard Version. In the Lord I take refuge. How can you say to my soul, flee as a bird to your mountain, for behold, the wicked bend the bow, they make ready their arrow upon the string to shoot in the darkness at the upright in heart. If the foundations are destroyed, what can the righteous do? Psalm 11 was written at an unspecified time in David's life when he was being urged to flee as a bird to your mountain. But despite the threat to his life, for behold, the wicked bend the bow, he refused. Since David quite often fled to the mountains to escape Saul, this psalm tells us there were times when he had to stay and fight. David was able to reject fear and flight and choose to stand and fight because by faith he could say, in the Lord I take refuge. As the protective shell of an allegedly Christian culture breaks down before our very eyes, it is sad to see so many who call themselves Christians recommending and seeking to flee as a bird to your or their mountain, because the militantly ungodly are coming after the righteous. The ability to hide in an allegedly Christian nation is being taken away, and our faith or lack thereof is being exposed. If all we're doing in the face of today's corrupt culture is crying, Lord, come now, because we don't want to live in a world where aggressive sinners make our lives uncomfortable, even risky, we have agreed that the foundations are destroyed and the righteous are helpless. In other words, we are proving our faith isn't real. But if we're boldly declaring our faith in God and living it out by standing for truth, then we are standing with David. What are you telling the world? That you're going to run away or that God is your refuge? Thank you for watching Saturdays in the Psalms on Morning Minutes in the Bible. Until next time, this is James McClenny hoping you have a great day.